Hi dear children, welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, in the last session we have seen what is meant by factors, how to find out the common factor and highest common factor, that is HCF. Today we will see how to find out the HCF only but another way, that is with the long division method. So let us take the example and try to understand how to solve the HCF problem by long division method. Okay children. So our today's topic is HCF by long division method. Long division method. Maybe the two numbers are given or three numbers are given. How to find out the HCF with long division method. The first example is 45 and 36. Let's take the two numbers first. Now children, here in the long division method, division means we have to divide. That automatically we understand with the name heading only. So for division, always we have to divide by smaller number. So from this only, which is the smaller number? 36. So that we have to consider as a divisor. And which is the bigger number? 45. So that will be the dividend. So how to divide? 45 divided by 36. Okay children. Now, in 36, 45 is present? No. 36 to the children how much? 36 to the 72. And 72 is a bigger number. We cannot take because we always require the smaller number than the dividend or exactly that number. So let us take 36 ones 36. Now instead of writing here upside children, always write that quotient here. So 36 ones 36 and in the division we have to do the minus. Okay. Now can you subtract 6 from 5? No. Then you have to borrow from the neighbor. This will become 15 and how much left here? 3. Now 3 minus 3, 0. 15 minus 6, how much children? 15 minus 6, 9. Now what we have to do? After doing subtraction, whatever we are getting the answer here, that will be our new divisor. What it is? New divisor. Now don't consider here as remainder and all. This is our new divisor. And children, our old divisor is our new dividend. Like this we have to solve these problems now. Okay, see here what we have done. From this two number we have taken bigger number as a dividend and smaller number as a divisor. We have divided with the smallest or nearest closest smaller number. After dividing, whatever the quotient is there, we are writing this side, right side. Okay. Now after getting here number, we have done subtraction. After subtraction, we got the answer here, that is 9. Now 9 is a new divisor and old divisor is our now new dividend. Again we have to divide now. Now in 9 table 36 is present children? Yes, 9 4s are 36. So how much where you have to write? Here. So 9 4s are 36. 36 is present. Now we have to subtract. Like this children, and 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 6, 0. Like this we have to go on divide children till we get here 0. Okay. Now by which factor we got here 0? Because of 9. So 9 is our HCF. So what we have to write? Therefore, or you can write so, HCF of 45 and 36 is 9. What is the HCF? 9. 96 and 128. 96 and 128. Same method we have to follow. Take the bigger number as our dividend and smaller number as our divisor. Okay. Now let us start. if you are not understanding the table of that particular number, you can write here. In multiplication chapter, I taught you how to create the table. Yes or no? Okay. So now 6 to the 12, carry 1. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 1 children, 19. Okay. Now if you observe here, 96 to the we are getting 192. And 192 is bigger than 128. So we cannot take 2 the. What we have to take? 1 the. 96 1 the. So let us take 96 1 the. 96 only children. Like this you people have to write and do the minus. How much I am writing here in the right hand side. Keep in your mind. Now 8 minus 6 how much children? 8 minus 6 2. Correct? Okay. Now can you subtract 9 from 2? No, you have to borrow. So here it will become 12 and here how much left? 0. Now 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 how much? 3. 12 minus 9, 3. Correct. Now the answer what we got here, that is our new divisor. And old divisor is our new dividend. Are you understanding? Yes. And again we'll write here. And again we'll keep here space for writing how much. Now in 32 table 96 is present. Orally you can do, no problem. Otherwise solve and check here. 32 ones are 32. 32 twos are how much children? 32 twos are 64. See, 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6. 2 threes are 6. And 3 threes are 9. So automatically we got here 96. And 96 is present here. So 32 how much is 96? 3s are. So what we have to write? 32 3s are 96. 6 minus 6 0. 9 minus 9 0. We got the 0 means we can stop here now. By which number now we got here 0 after dividing? By this divisor. That is 32. So that's why 32 is our HCF of 96 and 128. So HCF of 96 and 128 is 32. Why 32? Because after dividing with 32 we got here 0. That's why that is the HCF, highest common factor. By which number we are getting the last answer as a 0 reminder, that number will be always the HCF of whatever the number is given. Keep in your mind, and you have to follow step by step to solve this problem. Understood? Okay. Now children, let us take 3 numbers to find out the HCF with the long division method. Now with 3 numbers how to divide now? Here we have to go step by step. Our first step is to select 2 smaller numbers. So here if you see 18 and 24. These 2 numbers are smaller. From these 2 numbers, which is the bigger number? 24. So 24 is our dividend. And which is the smallest number? 18. That is our divisor. Understood? And now we have to start dividing first. Now, in 18 table 24 is there? No. Smallest and nearest number is 18 itself. So 18 ones are 18. 18 ones are 18. Now let us do the subtraction. 8 minus 4 can you do? No, it's not possible. Then borrow here 14 and this will become 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And 14 minus 8 children? 6. Correct? Okay. Now what is our next step? This answer is our new divisor and old divisor is our new dividend. Okay. Fine. Now in 6 table 18 is present? Yes. How much is 6 3 is 18. So take here, write here 3 and 6 3 is 18. So here we got the 0. Now because of which number we got here 0? 6. Okay. So now by which number after dividing we got 0? 6. That 36, that factor we have to continue with the next number, that is 27. Means now what we have to do? We have to take 27 is a big number and the last factor what we got here, that is 6 as a new divisor. Understanding? After the calculation, by which number we got here 0? By 6. Now this 6 will be the new divisor for third number, children. And third number is a dividend now. Now again let us do our same division. So in 6 table 27 is there? No. Then 6 4s are 24. So 6 4s are 24. Do the minus, get your answer. 7 minus 4, children. 7 minus 4, 3. And 2 minus 2, 0. Now this 3 is our new divisor. And old divisor is our new dividend. Understanding? Yes. Now in 3 table 6 is present? Yes. 3 how much is 6? 2s. How much we are writing here? 3 2s are 6. And 6 minus 6, 0. So by which number we got the last answer 0? By the factor 3. So 3 is HCF of these all 3 numbers. So that's what you have to write. HCF of 18, 24 and 27 is equal to 3. The answer is 3 because of this 3 number we got the last answer is 0. So like this we have to go on dividing till we get the downside as answer 0. Understanding? What we have done? From 3 number we have selected first 2 small number. From that little bit bigger number we have taken as a dividend and smallest number we have taken as a divisor. We have divided till we get here 0. And by which number, by which divisor we got the 0 answer, that divisor we have continued with the third number. Okay. So, and that also we have to go on divide till we get the 0. And by which factor the last we are getting the 0, that divisor is our highest common factor for all the number. 45, 36. Again same method, children. First we have to select small 2 numbers. So 18 and 36 are smaller number. So take first 36 little bit bigger as a dividend and smaller as a divisor. And now let us do our division. Now in 18 table 36 is present? Yes. Then 18 how much is 36? 18 to the 36. So take that. 18 to the 36. Now children we got here 0. In first step only we get here 0. So after getting, by which number we got 0? 18. Now same number we have to continue for the next number, which is remaining number 45. So 45 divide with 18 now. Okay. So now in 18 table 45 is present and no. Smaller than 45 which number is present? 36. So 18 to the 36 children. Okay. Because 18 3 is a 54. That is a bigger number. We cannot take. Now let us do the subtraction. 6 minus 5 can you do? No. Then borrow the number 15 and here left 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now 15 minus 6, how much children? 15 minus 6, 9. So 9 we are writing here as our new divisor. And old divisor is 18. That is our now new dividend. Now in 9 table 18 is present? Yes. How much? 9 to the 18. So 9 to the 18. So we got the answer here 0, 0. By which number? 9. Therefore, this is our HCF. This is our HCF of all 3 numbers. So what we have to write? So HCF of 18, 45 and 36 is equal to 9. How to find out? Understood? 22 and 84. From this, which is the bigger number? 84. So 84 is our dividend and which is the smallest number, that is 72 is our divisor. Now here we have to write how much. Now write the now table here. 72. 72 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4 and 7 2s are 14. So 72 2s are 144. Is a bigger than 84. Correct? So let us take 72 1s are 72. Because we have to do the minus. So we have to take the smaller number. 4 minus 2 children, 2. And 8 minus 7, 1. So this is our new divisor. And our old divisor is now our new dividend. Same we have to repeat here as a new dividend. Okay children. And now let us do the division. Now in 12 table 72 is present. Yes. How much are 12? 6. So 12 6 is 72. And we got the answer here 0. By which divisor we got the answer here 0? With the 12. So this is our HCF. Understanding? So you can write so HCF of 72 and 84 is equal to 12. Why? Because of that divisor we got here 0. Till we get here 0 we have to go on divide. Understand? So my dear children, I hope you people have understood today's topic, that is find out the HCF by long division method. Maybe the 2 numbers are given or 3 numbers are given. Go through the exercise problems and practice it and follow the each step properly. So today we'll wind up our session here. Next time with new subtopic. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe. Take care children.